Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let's get the show on the road. Let's get it going. Make sure y'all can hear me. Seems like we're good. Alright. Let's get this charting session. Let's get the session started. Let's chart it up first. Okay. Let's see, make sure we're good in the picture. Okay, we're good, we're straight. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start charting right now. We're a little late, but we can chart it up pretty quick. Okay, so what we're gonna do is delete everything we have on these charts from yesterday. So now we have a clean chart. Start the daily chart. I'm gonna go through this pretty quick. Okay, I'm gonna do previous day low right here. Previous day high, previous day low, and opening price. So this is yesterday's low right there. Okay, yesterday's high, we already took it out, so no need to mark that. We have this right there, the opening price on the daily candle. Not on the session, it's a daily candle right there. Okay. We're moving up pretty good. 4 hour. Okay. Let's see here. Bouncing off this 4 hour fair value gap there. Okay, I'm gonna mark this out right here. 4 hour below. Just to let us know there's a 4 hour below that. Okay. Move to 1 hour. Alright. We're just grinding up real slow, it looks like. Let's see. Mark this 1 hour out. Right here. 1 hour. Still got the big old gap right here. Just gonna fib this thing up just so I can have it. Right there. This is it. Okay. Okay, let's see. So that's the 1 hour. Nothing else to really mark there since we're just high, going higher. Okay, 15-minute. Let's see if we find any fair value gaps. Nothing there. Got one here, just we'll mark that out just to have it. Right there. Okay. Still got that one. Gonna mark that since we don't have much. Mark this inversion. Right there. That's pretty much it on that. That'd been a good trade. This BPR right here. Let's see. Okay. Mark out the midnight open. Right here. Midnight open. Came below it. And we're going past it. Going up. Expanding off of it. Let's see what else. Do London low, London high. See how that looks. See what we did here. Okay, hold up. Right here. Boom. Yep. So we're just gonna mark out London low. Right there. Took out Asia high. Took out Asia low, and we're coming up. Took out Asia high, and it's gonna mark out London low, so we have it. But we're grinding up, so longs seem more beneficial for us right now, at least. So looking for maybe a retracement. So it's 15 minutes. Let's see. Let's see if we have any news or not. We'll check that out real quick. See what kind of news we have. 10 o'clock, we got news. O'clock. Got some news at 10. Boom. Let's see what else we got going on here. That's pretty much it, dude, up there. Let's go to the ES real quick. See what we got here. Not much to show on that one. Okay, so this is gonna be our ES. Okay, we're gonna look at that to see if there's any SMTs, if we're validating or showing something on here, but it's not showing on here. We'll keep that in mind. Okay, so let's put this, get this right. This is gonna be on 1 minute, my 5 minute, 15, and my ES over here. And I'll be switching time frames on the ES, but I'm gonna leave it at 15 minute for now. Okay, now the 5 minute. Mark this fair value gap here on the 5 minute. Boom, right there. Okay, so we got 3 minutes about till market opens. I think that's about it right there on the charting. And let's see what else here. Look at 1 hour again. .4 hour. These are the time frames I use, and the people I watch and learn from, what time frames they use. So it's the 4 hour. We're just pumping up, dude. There's not much to say. Good expansion move. Let me see. Let's see here. Boom. Like that. Looks like that. This is the closest one right here. So let's see what that is. Boom. That's about it right there. Just looking for projections of like targets and like where it may want to stop or whatever. But not much to work on the consolidation period. We didn't have much of that, so. So we got like 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left now of until market opens. So buckle your seatbelt. Let's get this show on the road and let's relax and chill and see what we can get into. See what we get into. Okay. shooting up, shooting up. Nothing going on at the moment. All I know is that we're in a 15-minute here on ES. So I'm gonna get a bounce to keep going higher. And that's all I'm looking for right now, to go higher until some stuff starts changing. Maybe till we flip both these. I'm only looking for longs, to tell the truth. I don't want to fade this. I don't want to try to catch the top when it's pumping like this. Where are we at? Okay, 15 right there. So if we come down into here, I'll be looking for a good long opportunity right there. If we come up in there, I'll be looking for something decent, see if we can get. We're gonna invert this, but man, I'm not taking nothing. I'm not gonna do that. Normally, probably like in the past, when I first started, I'll probably take something like this when it closes. But it's just as far as being high probable or not, we could come down to the 15 and the 5, but and then bounce. But I don't want to see that. I don't want to just take stuff because I see that it's doing something like that. We didn't quite make it down to the 5 or the 15, so we're still waiting.
What is Gladiators? Yeah, oh, okay. Hi, I'm Tyler Holden, 32 K5. Hi, I'm Benjamin Neal. I'm 58 and I am Nicholas. Respect. Hola, estoy yo ayer. Tengo 43 años. Yo me llamo Frodo. Bonjour. Moi, c'est Washington.
Would normally take this long if we would have hit this, but we didn't quite hit this though, so I'm not gonna take it yet. But this inversion here would have had potential. I just don't want to take it because we didn't quite get there yet, and we can still come back there. Let's see, man. So yeah, we're just looking for something very specific to happen. We're looking for it to come down in here, which would be even down in here, and look for it to keep going higher. We did it on the 15. But we're also looking freaking weak over here on the 15 on the ES. So and we got 4 minutes left. So I want to see what happens. Let this thing show us what it wants to do here on both time frames. Let it line up, then we can take our trade. I'm just not sure how weak this is looking right now. And that big old nasty wick on the 1 hour too. Let's see what the 1 hour looks over here. It looks totally different. 1 hours look totally different. So it's a lot more bullish over here. So taking longs on the NQ would be the best thing. crazy. About to invert a 15 over here. And we're over here looking like we're disinverted on 1 minute. But yeah. So until they line up, nothing going on for me yet. I'll use the restroom real quick. And we did come back to this order block here on the 5 minute, but like I said, ES is making me not take it. Just tapped into a sus block right here. This little suspension block. But look at, we're about to invert a 15 on the freaking ES though, so yeah. Not really ready for no longs yet, we just inverted it, so they're just not lining up yet. So we got going on here, man. And that's like one of the big differences between me, like when I first started, and me now, is that I'm a lot more patient now. I think that's a big thing about it. A lot more patient. Not only that, but when you take losses, knowing how to take losses, but just being patient. Being patient. Letting it play out, letting it show a good setup and taking it. Right now there's nothing there. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting. We inverted a 15-minute on ES, and we did not over here. So we're looking bullish over here, looking bearish over here. What do? We take it on NQ, but there's nothing to take yet. One showing bullishness, one showing bearishness. I want them to line up and show me a trade that could potentially happen on this too. So nothing there yet, so we're just waiting. Just the key to good trading and disciplined trading is waiting. It takes away from the impatient and it gives the money to the patient. So who could be more patient is the key. Because if we were just looking at NQ, you might want to take this long. But then you're not looking at ES and seeing that we just inverted a big 15-minute. And there's not a 15-minute until way down here. So that's also game changers having in ES up as well as NQ. I'm about to hit this 15, just about the same time as this hits this 15. So let's see if we can hit the 15. We hit a 5. But let's see what we can get here. Hit the 5. Let's see if we hit the 15. We came close enough, it looks like, to this 15 here. So I wish we would have hit the 15 here though. We did hit a 5 though. Took out some lows here. Did not take this low out, that'd be even better as well. And at least to get in this 15, but we should have a big old wick on the ES on the 1 hour. We should. Let's see. So we got this. So 1 hour, how it looks on NQ. You can see how it looks. Now we go to 1 hour on ES. And look at that big wick. Boom. Oof. And we're going down. And may even invert this 1 hour here too, which would be a big a big indication that it may go shorter. Now we're looking super bearish on ES. Since we're going down, I'm gonna start marking some more 15s down here. For fair gaps. Mark this out. I marked this part too right here. Right here. Normally it's supposed to be like where this wick is, but we have a gap, a little gap that's pretty close to it already. So we're gonna mark that too, because it may just come there. Let's see. About to tap into this 15 here. Super close. We haven't done it yet. We haven't taken these lows out either. This little liquidity right here. Would like for it to come in at 15 if we want to look for longs. But we're getting close to news too, which is usually how it works in our trade. About to show up. Okay, tapped into the 1 hour now. See what we got going on now. See how I do this. See what happens. Take out some lows. We're in the 1 hour. Let's see. Gonna mark this out here. This is the start of this order block. For me at least. And this line just lets us know this is like the start of the order block, at least for me. You can see this right here where it came back to this same kind of thing right here and reversed. Didn't quite make it there on this one, which it doesn't have to go there necessarily. And this one I did the same thing, did the same thing, did the same thing there. Let's see, yeah. Once we closed past it, came back to it, so we're just looking to see if it wants to do that or not again. That's all. That's inversion. I may take it here. I'll probably take it here. We're getting close to news though. So we'll see what happens. It's crazy. A lot of our trades been close to news. There, look at that. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, it's kind of crazy it did that. So I'll probably just take this trade on my evaluation account only. Only the evaluation account, not on my live. Cause that little pump was kind of crazy looking, and we're getting close to news. So see if we can get in here. See if he wants to come back to 059 or not. only on my evaluation account. If we get it back there or not. See if we get a reaction.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're in there. Let's see. Let's see if we get a good sweep move here. Up. So we can take some stuff out over here. Looking for this to happen quick. About to move my stop up because the news is about to pop up on. We got 1 minute till news actually. Let's see what we get here. Stop is in the same place. Just seeing if we get a move right here. I know it's close to the news, but we're not doing this on the live account. See if we get a reaction or not. Did just come back to the 15 over here, but we're looking a lot more bullish on NQ. When the news hits right before, I'm gonna move my stop to here, 48. So right now. Stop moved up a little bit more. Want to see this push now? Want to see a good push now. Up. Stop is super close right here. Let's see if we get it or not. I want to see a good push. A good push or small loss? See if we get it. Managing our risk very well. Just looking for an impulse move up. expecting it to take something out now. Something. If it takes my stop out loss, then it's a little stop loss. It doesn't matter much. It takes my take profit. It'd be good. It's a bigger one. But we're managing our risk, which is the most important. Got close to the stop loss. Okay, getting a good push up. See if we can get this. Let's see. See if we can hold this. I want to see this high get taken out. We'll go break even. Once this high gets taken out, we'll go break even. Or small loss anyways. Pretty much in profit this whole time. Good push, good push, good push. Good push.
Order filled.
Okay, we got stopped out. Small, super small loss. We managed it well though, so. So let's see what we got going on here. Okay, let's see. I just consolidating pretty good right here, so we'll just see what it wants to do. Don't want to take any shorts right now. So managing the risk, small loss. Loss was only about like 20 ticks or something, not even, maybe 15 ticks. I think it's like 21 ticks or something, but it's not even anything. with our target being minimum 129. It's just when it's doing this, there's no structure to it, then I just get out of it. No matter what it does now, it doesn't really matter what it does now at all. We got a 5-minute tap, took out the low there. And then we got a 15-minute tap. Pretty much into this order block. So, was a good trade for me, made sense. But we also have ES over here doing the complete opposite. So. Maybe if we come down here, we'll take it again on the evaluation. We can see a little bounce there. But it hasn't done it already, then I don't know. Still looking long. 1 hour. Closed. Pretty strong still. 1 hour over here on ES. We're still holding this 1 hour here. So we didn't quite go past it, so we're still looking long, even on ES. Still looking for higher. Yeah. Yeah. Still looking for higher. But it just needs to show us what it wants to do. We just took out this order block, but we came into a 15, tapped into this one. So, I want to see what happens here. This is, mark this out, a little order block. If we close past it real good. And, from there to there, was that from under all this? Let's see, like 85. You'd be looking for 160 if you want to take the long, but we need to close past here, and I wouldn't want to mess with that right now. I put that there actually, because I just indecisive right now on the 1 minute, and the 5, and the 15. So, but we're still looking bullish. 1 second. Still chilling at this level here. See if this gets passed up or not. It's a good candle. No, I'm just kind of just chilling here. Once we close past this with a good candle, even this, and it stays up here, and then maybe come back to this to keep going long, but not that I'm confident enough to take right now, but something to notice and to observe. Okay, we closed past it. Almost came back to it. Still though. Yeah, there's no reason to be trading. All this. Like, what are you gonna trade here? I mean, unless you're just going off of this tap, then you're waiting for it to go up, and you're trading off the 5 minute. But right now, there's not much to go off of. Especially even this. There's not much to go off of. Okay. Not gonna take no shorts right now. Man, not doing nothing. Okay, we came back, bounced off this. Could be an entry, man. Could be. If we get a good candle up here, tap back into this to look for higher. 40 tick stop loss. See what we get. May take this here. Yeah, I'll probably take this here. If we get a good solid candle right here, see what happens. Let's see. If we close past that line. If we don't, we're not taking it. So we're not going to close past it, then we're not going to take it. And I want it to be a good candle, like straight away, not like a kind of chilling too hard. Now it's chilling too hard, so now it doesn't look good anymore. We're just going strictly off that. We bounced off this fair value gap that was in this order block here. So want to see expansion move, like a good move going up. So I want this candle to come up right now. That'd be perfect. If it came up and passed this up, we come back to it and we look for a long. Let's see how that looks. But it's gotta be a strong candle. Yeah, see. This next one gotta be pretty dang strong. Okay, let's see. So we got a 15 here. So this right here, if we close past this line here, then that'd be a break of structure on the 15-minute. Okay, we tapped into this, failed to take out that high, and then we're going over here and breaking structure. We're gonna be looking for shorts. If we close past this, and then maybe come and tap back into this area, and then we'll be looking for shorts. But that's a good candle here. That's a good candle here. So we're patient. We're not missing anything. We're not missing nothing. We're patient, seeing what's gonna happen. I want to close past this. Still got 2 minutes on this candle, and then see if we get to tap back into this CISD, and then maybe a short there. But we're not missing anything. We're being patient. Let's see if we close past that line first. And on the 5-minute, it'd be this line here. With my strategy, there's just multiple things that has to happen. So we're not just going into a trade just because we see an inversion or whatever. We're going into a trade because it's showing us to. See, we may fail to close past this. Just show us that we're still kind of bullish. And we're still holding this little fair value gap here. We inverted this, came back to it. There's a little fair value gap here that we're kind of holding as well. That we're this right there. So right there. But we did tap back into the 5-minute. See if we get this CISD. We want a good CISD, not just a little baby one. We want this thing to close past it pretty good, showing us bearishness. But we got nope. Yeah, we closed past it, so shows bearishness. You mean 5-minute not so much. Yes, been showing bearishness. See what the 1 hour looks like. Okay, 15. Let's see, let's go over here. Look at this 1 hour. We're here holding this thing still. Okay. So we get to tap back into here and maybe a reversal going down. then possibly I'll look for a short. But it has to show me like a reversal going down. And it has to show like an expansion move up a little bit. Just to tap into this thing right here. But not to exceed this. Not really. I wouldn't want it to exceed this wick here. This right here, I wouldn't want it to see go past that. If we're looking for short. Let's see what happens here. Look like we might if we create a fair value gap here too. Right here, that'd be even better because then we can come back into there and that'd be a high probability short if we see one on a 1 minute like going down. That'd be a high probability, super high probability. So we'll see if that happens or not. That's gonna require at least 13 minutes of waiting on that. For the next candle to print on the 15. Should I mark it out? You think it's gonna be there? It looks like it might be. It's hard to be shorting all-time highs. That's why you need like a something on the higher time frame to let you know. So pretty much just looking for this 15 to form and then maybe come back into it because it's lined up with this breaker block here and maybe look for a short. This all-time highs is kind of weird trying to turn to short it. But it has to show a couple things. You can't just go down like that because it'll just miss me all the way. You can miss me with that. I want to go down, but I want to show me it's gonna go down. And not just let's go down. Then I'm gonna kind of chase it. I don't want to chase it. I want to retrace into something, and then I'll take it to go down after it done show me it wants to go down. We're in the 15 minute now. Not one IFEG yet. Not one gap getting passed up and closed past yet on this time frame on the ES on this NASDAQ, but on the ES we have this was early in the morning. We closed past that, came back to it, come back into it again. We took out these lows here. Still in the 5 minute, still in the 15 minute. No fair value gaps on this. Sus block may form here. We got a little trend line right here kind of going on right now. Boom, that we're holding. So We'll come right back to it. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm sure somebody's taking this sus block entry right here. Right here. Not me, but I'm sure somebody's gonna take this. Or it hasn't came back to it yet. Or you want it to come back to it here. But there's no IOVG or anything. So gotta see here. Got 2 sus blocks, which is pretty telling of a strong market. 3 of them, if we get that one, that's even be even stronger. I don't take sus block. It just kind of, if it aligns with my strategy, then it's I'm gonna take it either way. It just be a little bit more high probable for me. The suspension block being candle with a gap on either side. So it's a gap there, gap there, gap there, gap there. So this, it just marks it from the gap to the other side of the gap on that candle. It just shows strength going up, kind of just popped up. We're about to close and it pops back up to the next candle, pops back up to the next candle, just showing strength to the upside. There's 3 of them, super freaking strength right now. You know what I mean? So, showing some strength right now. What is this? We came back to the CISD right here, change state delivery on the 15-minute. There's no fair value gap here yet. And we got 3 sus blocks. So short right now would not be the case. We also have a BPR right here on the 15-minute that we ain't hit yet on the ES. So see how that works out. But since we hit this 15-minute, shorts would be in play more than it was before. And we're still in a 15-minute down here. And we got 3 sus blocks, so it's not, I wouldn't take it. But we hit this CISD right here. We didn't quite get there, but yeah. This may be an entry right here. This, if we pass this bad boy up right here, maybe it's gonna be a big stop loss. I'll probably just take it on my evals, not my funded account. Stop at the high of the candle. But yeah, I'll probably take this right here. Let's see. On my eval only, not on my funded accounts. For sure. But yeah, let's see. See if we get it. See if we get it close past this. I'm gonna go in a little bit. See if we get it.
Order filled.
Okay, let's get it right there. Stop where I said. Let's see if we can take some profit down there. 2 to 1. 1 to 1.5, something like that. The only thing I don't like is the sus blocks, but we hit the 15-minute CISD, so expecting it to go down. Put it right above that. Let's see. Still holding this line too. I wanted to break that freaking thing. And maybe even go down to, well, further than that. So, but that's the inversion. Yeah. Okay. We got a ways to go. Look like we may be able to go down pretty good. Let's see. Yeah. Stop above this fair value gap here. Still believe in the shorts. Super good candle here. We may come back in here, but still expecting it to go drop. Want it to close past this here. Close past this line here. Past this trend line, whatever you want to call it. I want to see like a good close past it. A good bar come past this thing. That's what I want to see. Because it's been holding at least a couple times. Got some liquidity here. Right there. Some liquidity. See if we get this dump. See if we get a good dump right now. See if we get a close past this. A real good one. Still holding it. Still holding this line here. Okay, we're gonna take some off right here. See if we could take liquidity out. We're gonna take some of it off. Moving my stop to here. It's moving it right there. Whatever it wants to do, let it do it.
Order filled.
Okay. Small loss on that one. Wasn't following through. Let's see if we can regroup here. Let's regroup. Filled the 5-minute up, 15.2. Failed to go lower on ES. Still holding the 50%. Chopping up, chopping up. Not much going on. Still looking for longs now. At least looking for longs now. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that's the best move. So just thinking, is this an entry here? Right now. Not sure. We'll just come back to the 5-minute CISD. We'll see. Longs don't look too bad. but definitely not gonna trade on my live account right now. My funded. Only evals right now. Kinda wanna take this long right now.
Order filled.
Let me get this real quick. See if we get a good push up right now. Looks very promising right now. It's right there. Let's see. Getting a good push here. See if we can follow through. See if we can invert this fair value gap here. Not quite. I want to see it invert this. For sure, invert that. I want to see that happen. If we invert this, I'll get in on my live account and put my stop under here. If it doesn't take out this high. I'm already in on my eval account.
Order filled.
Okay, I got in on my live account as well. Small stop. Take profit looking decent. See what we get here. See if we can get this. Let's see. This would have to be the break-even point right there. Just had to be. Let's get this push up. I'm gonna adjust my stop loss a little bit. Just took out that high. Had to put it at break even. Had to put it at break even. Real quick.
Order filled.
I had to get out there, break even.
Order filled.
And get out the rest of my other one. Okay. That's what I had. Once it takes out this high right here, I had to get out of break even. So it's pretty much a break even trade. Made a little bit, but break even pretty much. I just didn't follow through with it. Should have maybe I took some off right there. Maybe. Yeah, probably. No, not really. To be honest with you. Let's see that I've been here. Yeah, break even I think was the right choice. I think break even was the right choice on that one. Yeah, I think that's good. So this is a break even trade on today. That's it. Just chopping up, so it's better than losing. And with that being said, I think that's it for the day, man. We did good. Managed our risk really well. We got some profit off the other one. On this trade, we took off half of it right there, and the rest was break even. So that was it. Okay, that's the original trade. We took off half, break even. We're good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Catch me next time. Live every day. If it's Monday through Friday, same time. Thank y'all. Bye.